Okay, guys. So this is for the Chapter 8 African Civilization Makeup Test. And what I've decided to do, instead of have you guys do more multiple choice questions, because it seems like a lot of you guys struggled between picking some options, you guys are just going to do some RAC questions. Now, this is very important. There's 4 possible questions. You only need to do 2 of them. Okay. These are the 4 questions the students miss the most. Each of these will make up 3 points. So you do 2, you get 6. You're not going to earn more than 6. You cannot do all 4. If you do all 4, I'm just going to grade the first 2. So don't overwork yourself. Don't spend 40 minutes doing this. This should take you 15, 20 minutes tops. So for each of these, you can scroll through. You have retake question 3 about Mansa Musa and learning in Mali. There's a question about how did the trans-Saharan trade affect West Africa? There was a question about how slavery was practiced in West Africa. And lastly, a question about why music was important to enslaved people. Now, really make sure that you're carefully reading these, because just by completing this question, if your answer is wrong, you're not going to get full points. I'll still give you 1 extra point or something like that. But if you're completely wrong or you don't follow the steps, you're just going to get 1 out of 3. So don't spend 20 minutes on this and only get 2 points because you weren't paying attention to the directions. Now, if you need a reminder of how to do the steps or you really want to be specific, there is another video on my YouTube channel that is the RAC explanation that you guys watched before part 2 of the test. So once again, look through these. Maybe think about the ones you do not know. So the ones you know the least, because that way, you can redo it, you can reread it, and hopefully now you'll actually be able to be like, okay, I'll remember this now. So it's up to you. Once again, I'm going to end on this. There's 4 questions. You only do 2 of them. If you do all of them, you're not going to get any more points. If you do all of them, I'm only going to grade the first 2 that I read. Okay. And this will make up basically for 3 missed questions because each question was 2 points. So it's quite a lot. And that can bring your grade up from an F to a C, basically, from a D to a B. It's even possible to go from a D to an A if you get full points, depending on what you got on the original test.